Have you ever stopped to consider what you're breathing in? Right now, probably not. But the air around us is teeming with a hidden world of microscopic particles. Today, we're diving deep into that world, the world of dust. We'll explore what it is, where it comes from, and why it's a constant presence in our lives. And of course, we'll take a peek under the microscope to see this microscopic chaos up close. Dust, as you probably know, isn't just one thing. It's a complex mixture of various materials. These include things like dead skin cells, pet dander, pollen, fibers from clothing and furniture, soil particles, and even tiny bits of food. Then there's the stuff that comes from outside, like soot from cars and factories, volcanic ash, and even tiny meteors from space. Now, where does all this dust come from? Well, a lot of it originates right inside our homes. We shed skin cells constantly. Our pets do too. Our clothes and furniture slowly break down, releasing tiny fibers into the air. Outside, wind, rain, and other environmental factors contribute to the constant generation and movement of dust. This dust then enters our homes through open doors and windows, on our clothes, and even on our pets. But what about the effects of all this dust? Well, it's not always harmful, but it can be. For people with allergies, dust mites, pollen, and pet dander can trigger a range of symptoms, from sneezing and coughing to more serious respiratory problems. Even for those without allergies, breathing in large amounts of dust can irritate the airways and lead to discomfort. So what can we do about it? Well, there's no way to completely eliminate dust, but we can definitely manage it. Regular cleaning, including dusting and vacuuming, is key. Using air purifiers with HEPA. Filters can also help to remove dust particles from the air. And of course, ventilating your home regularly can help to prevent the buildup of dust. Now let's get to the most exciting part. A look under the microscope. What does dust actually look like up close? The answer, as you might expect, is fascinating. Under the microscope, dust reveals itself as a chaotic but beautiful landscape of particles. You'll see fibers of various shapes and sizes, resembling tiny threads. You'll also see irregular, grainy particles of soil and other mineral matter. And if you're lucky, you might even spot the microscopic creatures that call dust. They're home, like dust mites. So the next time you see a sunbeam, illuminating dust motes dancing in the air, remember that you're witnessing a complex ecosystem, a hidden world of microscopic chaos. It's a world that's all around us, all the time. By understanding what dust is and where it comes from, we can take steps to manage it and create a healthier living environment. And by looking at dust under the microscope, we can appreciate the hidden beauty and complexity of the world around us. Thanks for watching, and stay curious.